For 2025, Forest River has introduced a compact couples RV with a spacious feeling. The RPOD 150, at a length of 19 feet and weighing in at 4,300 pounds gross, is easy to tow. Outside you'll find a flip-up window, a hot and cold spray port, and slam-latch cargo doors. Inside, the front kitchen offers a 12-volt fridge, a microwave convection oven, and a 2-burner stove. The trifold sofa sleeps 2. The rear bath has a surround shower, a medicine cabinet, and shelves for storage. The flip-up bar has a 12-volt TV above it.